Hi everyone, it's Marky. Today I just wanted to talk about this LYANER dress, and it is so pretty. This is kind of a really satiny material, really smooth, fits super well. It does have a little bit of stretch to it, which is amazing. It does have a zipper in the back. So super easy to get into. I've had a lot of other dresses that I try to put on and there's no zipper and it's so stressful to try and get up. It also has a slit here in the side and it goes down to about the middle of your calf, or at least mine. I'm 5'3", about 125 to 130 pounds. And I got a small and it fits perfect. It does kind of have this cowl neck right here, and then obviously spaghetti straps, and then a back that is just straight across. It does wrinkle a little bit, but it's really easy to steam. I just turn it inside out to steam it, and it seems to get all of the wrinkles out. Give me 1 second and I will show you what it looks like on. Okay, so now that you have seen what it looks like on, it's really pretty. It looks so amazing. Really makes you look slender and just amazing, I think. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, you could wear sneakers with it, or you could wear high heels. You could dress it up or down with jewelry and accessories. I just think it fits great, it looks beautiful, and it really holds up. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.